Hi guys, welcome back to Anyone Can Cook. If you haven't been here before, I'm Jamie and today we're gonna be making another simple and delicious recipe, grilled sandwiches. So let's get started. The ingredients necessary for this recipe are sliced bread, cheese, it can be provolone or mozzarella, ham or turkey, or if you want to do a vegetarian, just add the vegetable of your preference, spinach, some mushrooms, about 2 cups, garlic, tablespoon of butter, onion, and tomato. These ingredients are good for about 5 people. The equipment necessary for today is just a cutting board, a griddle, a small sauté pan, a spatula, and a knife. Today we only need to slice the tomatoes and dice the garlic. So let's start by dicing the tomatoes, very thin slices. We're gonna put this to the side. We also need to dice some onions. These we're gonna saute with the mushrooms. And then just cut them in half. Then we're gonna peel and dice the garlic. We need very small pieces. Alright guys, so we're gonna start by sauteing the garlic. At the same time, we can start the griddle at medium temperature. So what we're going to do is to saute the garlic with onions, mushrooms, and a little bit of cheese so we create kind of a creamy sauce. So once the pan is hot, we're gonna add a little bit of oil. And also we're gonna add the butter to the griddle. We want to melt some of the butter to toast the bread. This is good for one side of the bread. Then to add flavor, then I have garlic powder, and the oil seems to be hot, so I'm gonna add the garlic. Once the garlic is fragrant, we can go ahead and add the mushrooms. We can add the onions as well. The griddle seems to be hot as well, so I'm gonna add the bread to it. Make sure you get some butter on all the bread. Smells so good in here, guys. We just want to let this go until the onions are tender. So now we can go ahead and add the cheese. You need a soft and creamy cheese so it melts. Hey guys, don't forget to show the love for Anyone Can Cook. Go down below in the description and hit the thumbs up button. Check the bread because it might be ready. So once it's a little toasted, you're gonna turn, and on that same griddle we're gonna get the tomatoes a little warm. We're gonna warm up the turkey or ham as well. This is getting really creamy, gooey, really nice, guys. So you can pretty much turn off the heat on this. You can add maybe a little bit of spice or a little bit of garlic. So we add some extra flavor to it. So our creamy sauce is ready. And what we're going to do is we can start building our sandwiches. So we'll start with the ham or turkey. It's hot, so be careful. You can do a single, double slice of turkey, it's up to you. Then on that same griddle, we can warm up the spinach. If the griddle is a little dry, just go ahead and add a little bit more butter. You know that spinach, once they start cooking, they're gonna shrink very fast. We can go ahead and add some salt, some pepper. While the bread is getting toasted, we're warming up all the ingredients. Go ahead and turn. You're pretty much grilling the spinach. Tomatoes seem to be grilled, so we can go ahead and add the tomatoes. Then add the spinach. And a little bit of that delicious, creamy sauce. Look at that, guys. It's gooey, creamy, delicious. So cheesy. All right, then we can finish up our sandwiches, and you can toast the bread. You can go as far as you want. Take a look at this, guys. Grilled sandwiches with melted cheese, perfectly toasted. So you can have this for breakfast, as a snack, lunch, or dinner. Then to make it even nicer, then just cut them in half. And you know, guys, I can't let you go without trying. So let me have a little bite of this. It's so good, guys. It's toasted. I can taste some of that garlic. It's delicious. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you next week.